Just a walk around video of the FPT Pragma M80. Just doing a quick video of it. This is the railway rail trolley they put in. The trolley runs about 180,000 pounds, and they needed to run it to the end of the plant. It used to stop right at this machine, so this is why it had to be disassembled. It was running up until they built the rail trolley. I'm just doing a walk around. The machine's actually very, very well disassembled. All the documentation here. The wires are pulled properly, arranged properly, and looking back at the back end of the machine, it's very nice condition. There's the nitrogen tank for helping to counterbalance. So it's a little slippery on the floor, but that's the control. I believe it's Fidia C20. And this here, I'm backing up, is the control panel, the electrical panel. I'm trying to identify every piece that's here. I believe this is the hydraulics and the chiller. It's another filter hydraulic unit. This here is a head changer and an assistant.
That's a tool changer.
This here with the cover is the head changer, or the tool changer. This one right here is the head changer. I'm going to compile this all into a complete video. Again, there's the two heads that are in here right now. And then here it is from this angle. This machine is literally ready to be lifted out of it, crated, and sent to somewhere else. There's height and hind scales. Height and hind scales on this entire machine.